Hello students, in this video we are going to study series and data frame under Python Pandas. Now let's start. There are two types of data structures in Pandas, Pandas series and Pandas data frames. See, this is a series, this is also a series, and combining these two we can get this type of data frame. So data frame is the combination or combined form of series. Now, how we can create a Panda series? Let's start. What are series? Series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding data of any type, integer, string, float, Python objects, etc. The access labels are collectively called as index. Each and every value in a Python series is associated with an index default 0 to n minus 1. Default value is 0. Now in this picture, you can see there are few columns, name, age and designation. These are representing a series. How I can create a empty series? A basic series can be created is an empty series. First, you have to write the statement import pandas as PD. Then this is a command creating empty series. SCR, you can write any other variable name here or S1 or SE, whatever you want to. Then pd.series parenthesis. It is empty inside. Print SER. Now see, this is the output. It is showing series. This is an empty series and default data type is float 64. Now creating a series from scalar values. In order to create a series from scalar value, an index must be provided. This is the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The scalar value will be repeated to match the length of the index. Import pandas as PD, you are importing pandas. Then import numpy as np. SCR is equal to pd.series 10. This is the data. It will be repeated as many times we give the index here. Comma index is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, and 10 is repeated that many times, 6 times here. And index is given in square brackets. Print SCR, hence the output. Now creating series and using strings as row index. See, np.c array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and index is equal to, these are string. These strings are used as row indexes A, B, C, D, E, F in single quotes and separated by commas. Next option is creating a series from numpy array. Series index is equal to p.series np.array. You have to import, of course, on the top 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now see, np's method is arange function is one of the function in np numpy 0, 12, 2. It means it will begin with 0 and end 1 less than 12, then the upper range. And 2 is the step, means the difference between the next element. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And these are the values of the array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And they are type int 64. Next is creating a series from lists. I'm giving here a list. List is equal to, in the square brackets, you are giving few elements, G, E, E, and like this, you can print a series. pd.series in rounded brackets, you will give list. You are creating a series from a list. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the indexes, and these are the these are the elements of a list. Next is we can create Pandas series from Python dictionary also. If we create a series from a Python dictionary, the key becomes the row index. See, this is the key. These are the keys A, B, and C. And these have become here row indexes. While the value becomes the value at that row index, like 1, 2, 3. These are the values, and the values become the value at that row index. At index A, value is 1. At index B, value is 2, and so on. Now we have completed studying series. We are going to start now data frame basics. Pandas.data frame. It is a two-dimensional, size mutable, heterogeneous tabular data. You can think of it like a spreadsheet or SQL table. It is generally the most commonly used pandas object. Pandas data frame can be created in multiple ways. Let's discuss different ways to create a data frame one by one. First way is creating pandas data frame from list of lists. First, you have to import pandas as PD. This is the comment. Then initialize the list of lists. C. From lists of lists. This is the list. Outer bracket, square bracket. Then there are three lists. Tom 10, Nick 15, Julie 14. See, this is the output. You have to create the panda data frame. df is equal to pd.data frame. D and F is capital. Then data, this data, comma columns. Columns name or the header are given in this square bracket. Names, comma, name, comma, age. And then you have to get it printed. Print df. So this is the output for data frame, creating data frame from list of lists. Second option is we can create data frame from dictionary of n arrays or lists. But there's one condition prerequisite, that is all the n array must be of the same length. Like in this, data is equal to name, colon, Tom, Nick, Krish, Jack. 4 are there. In age 20, 21, 19, 18. 4 are there again. So length is same. Now df is equal to pd.data frame data. Then print df. So this is the output. This is the data frame created from dictionary of n arrays or lists. Now create indexes and data frame using arrays. See, we have created here indexes also using strings. Import pandas as PD. Data is equal to name. This is the key. Then values Tom, Jack, Nick and Julie. And marks. This is the second key. Here name and marks. Then 99, 98, 95 and 90. df data frame is equal to pd.data frame data. This is the data. And index is equal to, in the square bracket you will be giving rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 and rank 4. See, these are the indexes and name and marks. These are the headers of the column. Now creating data frame from list of dictionaries. This is a list, square bracket. In the square bracket, you are taking the dictionaries, list of dictionaries. First dictionary contains A, B and C, 1, 2, 3. And other dictionary contains A, B, C with values 10, 20, 30. See, this is the output of the data frame created. Now creating data frame from dictionaries of series. Now series, let's see how we can do it. D is equal to, in curly braces, because dictionary we have to show, 1 is dot PD series 10, 20, 30, 40. This is a series from series. Then index is equal to ABCD. 2, first and 2. PD dot series 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. And index is equal to A, B, C, D. Then df is equal to PD dot data frame D. D is here. So we are getting it printed. Print df. So this is the output, students. Hope you enjoyed learning pandas series and data frame. Now come on, let's start doing practical in it also.